Okay, diversity 2, we have a, what is this?
2018 Jeep Compass.
We have a 2018 Jeep Compass.
Compass.
Compass, okay. It's a 2.4 here. And we're going to lift up the oil dipstick just to give it a little air. Okay. And we're going to take off the oil cap right here. It's got to be all the way off and out the way. Let's set that aside. Right over there. Dipstick up. And I just went under and got the oil plug loose. It takes a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter, 1/2 inch wrench.
That did the job.
Well, not only that, I had to use my homemade wedge out of a chain link fence post, and I had to tap it with my sledgehammer, just a little bit. And on this vehicle, you're going to go that way. All right, now the plug. The plug is right. Oh goodness, it's so dark under here. I'm about to redo this. You won't be able to see the plug. Now that was Samantha. She's got her phone ready to go. So the filter is right there, and the plug is right here. Okay, we finally got the plug out. To the plug. We have a 2018 Jeep Compass, right?
Yes.
2018 Jeep Compass. She's getting her oil changed today. Look at that, okay. Got a phone. We're going to add some more oil. We got some, what is that you got there? What is it? Tell me what it is.
Okay, so this is Platinum Full Synthetic OW-20.
Okay. It's for your vehicle.
Oil.
We're doing phase 2 now. Don't be scared, just pour it in there. She's motivated, she's learning how to do her own oil. Okay, just let that run down, then we're going to check the dipstick. That's not necessary, but that's, and most of, you can't see this, but most of the oil has already ran out. And caught in my bucket, just a drip left, trickling down. Just going to start it and let it run. I'll let it run a little bit, let it circulate. Okay, you can turn it off. You're going to turn it off and get back out, and you're going to pour some more in.
So pull this out?
Not yet, just pull the dipstick.
What's the dipstick?
The oil dipstick, ma'am.
Oh, pull it?
Pull it out, all the way out. All the way out. Wipe it off. Get the rag. Yeah, get all the oil off. Now, stick it back in there. Push it all the way down. Now, pull it back out. See where the oil level is. Is there any oil on there? If it's not, then you got to add some more.
There's oil on there.
But just a little, right? At the tip? Okay. It probably needs to be about there. Okay.
Oh, but look here, it's oil.
How far? Oh, look like you might be good. Okay, you might be good.
I got my hands dirty. Look, it's dirty. I got my hands dirty.
Also, I'm impressed.
Yes.
So, Samantha, you have any more questions about your vehicle? She's learning how to do a vehicle today, how to work on the vehicle herself. Any questions, ma'am?
Yes. What is this and why does it look so dry?
Well, this is part of your this 2018 Jeep Compass, right?
Yeah.
the cap, everything pops off except for this 10mm screw here, and bolt. I'm about to take it off right now. Got my little socket there. Got an extension on it. I just popped it, got it loose, move it out the way. I'm going to spin it up, make sure I don't drop it under there. If it may be attached to this. Okay, this is a 2018 Jeep Compass. This cover pops off. We're going to see what's under here. Oh, you got to have some space before this, right?
Wow, he is all up under there. This trunk has never really been moved before.
It's the last cap. Oh, no wonder.
It's a screw?
Look, the screw. Let's get that. It's attached to the cap here, you see? This is going to come all the way out. Well, it comes all the way out, okay. 10mm. Gets that off. Now under here you should be able to access your spark plugs. And sure enough, we have under here are your spark plugs, and it's got a long tube about this long. Once you get this bolt out right here, that comes out. Spark plug is underneath there. Put that on there.
You opened that.
I was looking at the coil packs here. I was looking at the coil packs, and there's oil down in here. I took my rag. Let me do it again. Clean rag. I'm gonna stick it down in here and watch what happens. It didn't get that much on there.
Yeah, that's not good at all. Oil should only be in the oil tank. Yeah, that's not good at all. Oil should only be in the oil tank.
Let me stick this down in there, and we're going to see what's going on. Now pull this back out. What is that?
Oil.
Oh.
I don't like your face expression.
Well,
and I know we didn't just do that, didn't it?
No, we didn't do this. I mean, we weren't nowhere near this.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, it was close.
I've got that. I'm just drying it out. It's probably been there a while. Shouldn't be up here. So I got one more dip here. Let me dip this down in there.
I don't know how did oil get right there though.
Okay. I got most of it out.
Okay.
I know you want to be ready to get in the house and get your shower.
Yeah, because
okay,
it's raining.
Once you get the coil pack off,
you
got a bolt here. Unscrew that. You're gonna take that off. You got to use a spark plug wrench to stick it down in that hole. You're gonna need a long extension. Probably longer than this put together. And once you get the spark plug loose, you're gonna take this hose here, jam it on top of the spark plug, and lift it out. Because the hose is gonna be deep. And that's it for this 2018 Jeep Compass for today. That's Samantha working on her vehicle, learning how to, and she did a very good job today. We were working on the oil.
Yeah.
We changed the oil, got the oil filter change, and there you have it.
Yay!
Thanks for watching Diversity 2. And that's Samantha again.
Thank you for watching Diversity 2.
She's so happy.
I am. I learned a lot.